Hi guys, I am here with very short question of English literature. Dear friends, these are some questions mostly asked in competitive exam. इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे से ज्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इज फ्रैंक स्टेन इन मैरी सेलीज नॉवेल. मैरी सेलीज के जो नॉवेल हैं फ्रैंक स्टेन, उसमें फ्रैंक स्टेन कौन है? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज द साइंटिस्ट. The scientist. In Frankenstein of Mary Shelley's novel, the Frankenstein is the scientist. And the other title of Frankenstein is Mary Shelley's का जो Frankenstein है उसका दूसरा नाम क्या है? So the correct answer is the modern Prometheus. Modern Prometheus. The other title of Frankenstein is Modern Prometheus. And which novel of Mary Shelley has an autobiographical element? Which novel of Mary Shelley has an autobiographical element? The correct answer is Lador. Lador novel of Mary Shelley has an autobiographical element. Jane Austen was greatly influenced by. Jane Austen थी जो वो किससे सबसे ज्यादा प्रभावित थी, इन्फ्लुएंस्ड थी? द करेक्ट आंसर इज मैरिया एशबर्ग. Maria Asberg. And Mrs. and Mr. and Mrs. Bennet in Pride and Prejudice have daughters. Mr. और Mrs. Bennet की कितनी daughters थी? So the correct answer is 5 daughters. So these are 5 questions. Who is Frankenstein in Mary Shelley's novel? The scientist. The other title of Frankenstein is Modern Prometheus. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Who is the most humorous character in Pride and Prejudice? Pride and Prejudice is a great work of by Jane Austen. So who is the most humorous character in Pride and Prejudice? Question number 7. Emma by Jane Austen was praised by. Emma by Jane Austen was praised by. Now question number 8. Thomas Bertram is character in Jane Austen's. जेन ऑस्टेन के किस वर्क में थॉमस बर्ट्रम कैरेक्टर है? और इन विच नॉवेल ऑफ जेन ऑस्टेन डज जॉन डैशवुड द हैंड-पैक्ड हस्बैंड अपीयर? जेन ऑस्टेन के किस नॉवेल में जॉन डैशवुड जो कैरेक्टर हैंड-पैक्ड कैरेक्टर है, पत्नी के साथ चलने वाला कैरेक्टर है, डैशवुड the hand-packed husband appear. Of which work of Jane Austen remained unfinished? अभी भी ऐसा कौन सा वर्क है जेन ऑस्टेन का जो कि अनफिनिश्ड है? The correct answer. Who is the most humorous character in Pride and Prejudice? The correct answer is Collins. And Emma by Jane Austen was praised by the Quarterly Review. The Quarterly Review. And Thomas Bertram is a character in Jane Austen's. So Thomas Bertram is a character in Jane Austen's Mansfield Park. And in which novel of Jane Austen does Jane Dashwood, the hand-packed husband, appear? The correct answer is Sense and Sensibility. And which work of Jane Austen remained unfinished? So the work that is unfinished is Sedition. So these are question number 6. Who is the most humorous character in Pride and Prejudice? Collins. Emma by Jane Austen was praised by Thomas. The Quarterly Review. Thomas Bertram is a character in Jane Austen's Mansfield work, and in which novel of Jane Austen does John Dashwood, the hand-packed husband, appear? Sense and Sensibility. Which work of Jane Austen remained unfinished is Sedition. So dear friend, these are some questions mostly asked in competitive. यदि कोई भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन बहुत यूजफुल हैं। यदि आपको पसंद आए हो तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।